I'm so excited because it's Stitchfix time. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its contents, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So, I got another Stitch Fix. I'm on the Style Pass, so when I return one, they get one together and they send me another one. And I don't know if you watched my last month, but it was a 5 for 5. So I will leave the link above so you can check it out. So I'm hoping that maybe I get another 5 for 5 or something close. So it is a monthly, or actually you can get it whenever you want. You can get it like I do, whenever you want. You can get it monthly, annually. So that part of it is a great deal. They have clothing, they have accessories, they have shoes. So I am going to leave a link below that will give you $25 off if you would like to try it. When you get it, there is a return bag. So you return everything that you're not going to keep. And I do have several because I've kept everything, so I have the bag. And then there is the price list, and there is a note from your stylist. And with the note is how you can wear the items. And I had Kat as my stylist, and I think they gave me Lucy. So I've had Lucy for a while. And so Lucy just tells me Happy New Year, and I'm not going to go ahead and read everything. So let's see what's in here. So I see a bundle. So I have that bundle. And then I have never seen this before. And I'm thinking it's shoes or boots. It looks like a mini bag you put your clothes in. They used to give you the other kind, the material bag, but look at this great bag. So, do we want to open the boots first, or shoes, or whatever? Wow. So, I got a pair of boots. They're kind of a suede. I'm not really crazy about suede because I'm so hard. You know, I kick my legs all over the place. If I'm sitting at a table, I kick them all over. But I do like the stitching, and the heel is a perfect size. And it is a gray tone. I don't know if you can see. And they're a 7.5. So I'm just loving this bag. I don't know if it's a new bag or if it's just for boots, but I'm loving this bag. So I will try those on and get into my bundle here. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's been beautiful out here in Arizona. We've had 70, 80 degree weather. But we've had a lot of guests. This time of year we get company. My son was in town, and of course we had a great time with him. And he was invited to a birthday party of friends of ours. So that's why he came out here from Chicago. And we did axe throwing. Never heard of it before. And I don't know if any of you have ever tried it. Leave it in the comments, but you actually throw axes at a wall. Needless to say, none of mine stuck. So nobody's in danger of losing their life because mine just kind of went on the floor. So anyway, the first top is, I don't know, PAPERMOON Larry tie sleeve blouse, black in a size large, and it has a zipper in the back. It is very see-through, very, very see-through, so I would have to wear a tank underneath. But it has what I don't like. It has these bow tie sleeves. They just bother me. I would not reach for this. Maybe if I was working I could wear this and put like a blazer or jacket over it, but now I would definitely not reach for it. But of course, I will try it on. And the next item is by Daniel RAINN. It is Marnie Crochet Trim Knit Top Dark Gray in a large. Upside down. It's really kind of a cute top. Now, I am retired, so I don't dress up. I mean, we do go out to dinner, we do go to places where I do wear nicer clothes, believe it or not. And, but I am not a big t-shirt wearer either. I like to wear a nice top. And so this kind of qualifies. I'm trying to get it because there's so many strings attached to it. So I do like this. I think it's a little sassy. I don't know if you can see it or if the sun's in your way, but it's got the detail around the collar. It's got the detail around the sleeve. So I'm really kind of liking this top. And it'll go great with those boots. And the next thing is really not my color. I'm not a green person, but I have been reaching for like olive green tops, like a little bit darker, but this would totally look horrible on me with my skin tone. And this is the Pink Clover ADELAIDE 2-pocket waffle knit cardigan, teal green in a large. It's very soft and it's kind of short. It does have pockets. If this was in a different color, a black, a gray, kind of like a purple or whatever, but this green it doesn't work for my skin tone. But I will try it on. I can actually try it on with that first top that they put in there. And then the last thing in the box looks like a skirt, which I will not reach for. I have a whole closet full of Stitchfix, skirts that I loved to wear. And then when I stop working, I don't wear them. I wish I could, but I just have nowhere to wear them. So this is Liverpool Clover Knit Pencil Skirt Gray in a size 10. And it's got the button zip in the back. It is really pretty, and it would probably go with that first top. And this is exactly the type of skirts that I wore to work with either tall boots or heels. Now I feel bad, I need to go back to work. But it is nice, and I will try it on. So that was everything in the box. So give me a minute and I'll be back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. Now, you might need sunglasses because I'm wearing the skirt and my legs are super, super white. So I don't want to scare anybody off. So the first thing I am wearing is the Pink Clover ADELAIDE 2-pocket waffle in teal green in a size large. Again, the color is just not me. It's a super nice, comfortable cardigan, easy to throw on. Again, it's got the pockets. I'm not liking the color. So for that reason, it's a no. And then underneath I have the PAPERMOON Larry tie sleeve blouse in black in a size large. It is very see-through, but it doesn't look like you can really see through it right now, but I don't like these. I don't like the ties here. and I don't like the sleeve length. And this is something I would definitely not reach for, as I would have nowhere to wear it. And then I have on the skirt that definitely is a hugger, and it is the Liverpool Clover Knit Pencil Skirt in gray. This is a size 10, so she knew that it probably ran tight. If I was working, absolutely. I could get this, I could wear jackets with it, I could wear knee-high boots with it. It's very comfortable. Let me show you the back. It's got the little slit and a button in the zipper. But again, I'd have nowhere to wear it. And then I have on the boots, and this is the scary part. So I am wearing the violet and red Casper leather heeled bootie in dark gray. And again, these are 7.5, and they're really cute. I love the size of the heel. I just don't like the suede, but they are really cute. So let me get you away from that scary sight. And then I have one last top to try on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the last top, and it is the Marnie Crochet Trim Knit Top in Dark Gray in a large by Daniel RAINN. I knew I would like this one. It's got the perfect V, and then it's got this edgy, let's see if I can get you in here, this edgy leaf, and it's the perfect length, perfect with jeans. So I'm kind of liking this. It all depends on the price points. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay, so I am back with the recap. It wasn't the best fix, only because I have in my profile I don't wear green. I don't need skirts. And that floral top I really have no need for as well. I just like casual clothes. I'll take jeans, boots, handbags, accessories. So there is a lot I will take, but let's go over the prices. So the pencil skirt, which was super cute by Liverpool, it had a side zipper and button. If you like it, you will probably have to size up because that was super, super tight. And that goes for $68. Do I think it's pricey? I think the quality on that skirt was really nice. It was very soft and comfortable. So had I had a need for it, I probably definitely would have, oh, sorry, I'm kicking it with my big feet. I probably would have purchased it. Then there was the pink clover waffle 2-pocket sweater in teal green. That was $44. And again, and to be honest, I didn't think the quality was there. So even if it came in a different color, I didn't think it was worth $44. Then there were the violet and red. It says Casper leather heeled bootie in dark gray, but they were suede. And suede, just with the dirt and dust and everything out here, just would not last. So for that reason, and they were $99. So to trash a $99 pair of boots, no. Then there was PAPERMOON, the bow tie sleeve blouse in black, and that was $44. It was very nice. It's just not my style. I don't like that 3/4, and I don't like those little bows. I guess at my age, bows are a no-go for me. And then there's the Daniel RAINN crochet top. I do like this top. It is so comfortable. But it's $58. And I just have a hard time spending $58 because it has a little detail on the top. If it was more in the 30s or 42 or something, I probably would suck it up, but I just can't justify spending $58 on a t-shirt with a little bit of lace detail. Let me know your comments on that. So the order subtotal was $313 minus the 25 buy all, take 75 or 70, 25 off, brings it down to $234.75, which if I needed everything might not have been bad, but yeah, this was definitely a no-go. I don't pay a styling fee because I do have the styling pass. And I'm just a little upset about this shirt because I really like it, but to spend $58 and then you compare the skirt was $68. I would have gotten the skirt before I would have gotten the shirt. So let me know what you think. Please leave me comments. Again, I love Stitchfix. It is kind of hit or miss. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.